Good afternoon, this is Sean with Blueprint Plumbing. We are at 501 Northeast 12th Court in Fort Lauderdale. We are looking at we had some root intrusion. We had root intrusion and we put a liner in here. This is the branch line going over to the bathroom. Bathroom on side B. The root intrusion was in the main line. Yeah, main line. Should be the main line coming up. There we are. Here's the main line. This just goes back to another bathroom. I believe this is the vent stack. Yep, that goes up to the roof. This branch over here goes to the toilet. And I believe the kitchen sink is over here on this side as well. That's just a toilet. But right in this area was a crack, and we put a liner over it. See, we did a liner. Did about 3 feet. The crack was a couple inches long, but we did 3 feet so that the root doesn't come back. The finished liner right there.